Okay, so just like that, I had to face my car this way, because if I would have worked on my car this way, I would have just been getting rained on, because it's honestly about to rain. So I guess I have to do this in the rain, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up, and we gonna go ahead and get it busting. You feel me? Ooh, demon eyes. All this wind, my bushes is shaking. Look at that. Alright, so it might be a lot of wind, but y'all just bear with me. I don't care, man. I'm about to get this done today. I really wish we had like a open and closed garage, but I don't care, man. I'm about to go ahead and get this done today. So I'm about to install this cold air intake. I'm not even finna take long. I'm not even gonna try to be long. I got me a light up here. So shit, basically, man, hey, I ain't trying to make no excuse. I'm trying to go ahead and get this done. So man, y'all just bear with me. I got the light straight, so just in case, I think I don't need this light right here. The storage light, I could cut that off because I got light right here. So I'm all good, man. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm really about to install a cold air intake. I mean, I know other people install their stuff, like whether it's sunny outside, nighttime, if it is raining and thunderstorm, people install inside like closed garage buildings, or if they home in a closed garage. But me, I'm about to make this work. As you see, I don't have no this is not closed. I decided to go with the JLT Cold Air Intake. I'm gonna go ahead and get this box. This is my first time opening this box, so got brown, got paper, we got paper. I don't want to have stuff everywhere. I know y'all heard that. Please bear with me, y'all. They want for the tea. I got wet. Shit. Oh, okay. Got the air box. All right. Okay. It's nice right here. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice right here, y'all. Okay. And yep, got the JLTZ. All right. Alright, y'all, check this out. You know how you see things on the internet? Hold on, let me get this out first. You know how you see things on the internet and you be like, man, that's small? I'm not gonna lie. Let me put this in the light. It is a big ass intake. Like, bro, this intake is about to go right over here. Damn. I'm about to go ahead and get the install this. I ain't about to waste no more time. What's poppin', YouTube? This is your boy DeAndre 10K, and I will be installing my JLT Cold Air Intake in the rain today. Literally. Okay, me personally, I just want to go ahead and pop these two up real quick. Okay, got both of them up. Let me get this scratch tower, boys. Now it's time to lift this up and then move on to the next step. Now it's time to get to the cold air intake part. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. Where my pliers at? Millimeter for this bolt that's mounted to the car. Oh goddamn, boys, I done caught a big one. Woo, look at that. Finally got the stock up out of there. Set that off to the side. I got the stock cold air intake up out of here. So now I'm about to go ahead and install the new. So yeah, buddy. Alright, so really, I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all can see it. Now I'm just about to hit it with this torque bit. Yeah. Boom. There we have it. Alright, y'all, so y'all know I don't want my sound tube, so this gotta go. There ain't no point in me having one. But as I see, I got my light right there. I'm not even about to. It's gonna be a struggle trying to show y'all, but let me see if I can. There it is right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. See if I get it to focus. Zoom in. Y'all see that right there? The little orange. It's focused on the light. But that little orange piece down in there, that's where your 10mm nut at. And I stuck my hand down there, I'm not gonna lie. People say it's hard, but it's really easy for me. But I'm just gonna enter from right here where the cold air intake was at, and reach and extend my arm all the way down there and do small turns at a time until I get it. And yeah, that should be it. So yeah. I have finally got that damn nut. But look, finally got that motherfucker. Now I'm about to yank. Ooh, look at how I don't throw this goddamn thing across the street. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Woo! A little plug. Finna go ahead and put that down in there. Time to install the filter. Now this right here, this right here, we just gonna go ahead. This from the factory airbox. I'm gonna put that down in there. Slide this. Don't roast me. I know the JLT Cold Air Intake is supposed to not go on top of the goddamn motor, but I'm just saying I had to mount this up. But that bolt right there, that's from the factory, so mount that on. And then this piece right here, this is your air duct. You got to make sure that this right here is nice and synced in. You're gonna see two dots. There's one dot right there, and the other dot is right here. So you gotta slide the JLT air duct to the inside right here. You gonna see what I'm talking about when y'all get down there. I really can't show out because it's dark. I'm gonna try to show out. But down in there, that air duct right there. Slide that, make sure it connect, and then if it looks like this, one dot right there and one dot on the other side, then you done it correct. Go ahead and loosen up the retainers on the coupler. Go ahead, fast forward, skip. So as you see, it's installed. Yes, I wanted the foam piece because it'll separate the heat and everything. No, I want much heat away from this thing as possible. But when you get done installing all this and you tighten down your tensioners, which I just got done doing, God damn it. Y'all just witnessed that on camera. And this right here, guys, is the finished product of installing a cold air intake by JLT. I'm not gonna lie, I could have been finished this, but I was trying to vlog for y'all. But other than that, the only pain was getting the sound tube off. And yes, the sound tube is right there. But other than that, everything is really all good to go.